So here I have the other vertical. It's laying on top of the other one I just tack welded the supports on, so that way got everything lined up as best as possible. So I'm just tacking it on the side and kind of like on the bottom there. You can't get to the other side without lifting it, so just kind of tack it on there on the side just so it can stay in place. Right, so here I have the verticals already tacked up. I kind of lined everything up. I had to squeeze them together like one of those ratchet straps to kind of take up some slack because the tubes are not straight. They got a little bow to them, so a little bit of a gap on both sides. That's the diagonal right there. So I mean the fit up is okay. So there it is, it's tacked, and it's just standing up on the verticals, and I'm just supporting one side with that jack. Just kind of making sure everything is lined up the way it should be. The supports, the angle supports 5 degrees. The verticals are pretty much straight up vertical. So now I'm just gonna lay this whole thing back down so I can tack on the feet that go at the very bottom. So there you can see it's lined up. This is the one that had that multiple fish mouth copes to it, and as you can see, it fits pretty good. That short little foot doesn't go there. That's the second one. That's just kind of just to hold it in place while I tack it up. But yeah, I'm really pleased with the way those cut wrappers generated the fish mouth copes. So there it is, tacked in place, both of them. Now really all that's left to do is to actually just weld it all up. So here I'm using that 1/8 6010, little whip and pause. Again, very low arc force. There's no pulse here, that's just straight up DC reverse polarity. Another shot right there. As you can see, arc flickers a little bit. I almost stuck the rod there. Kind of sort of did. Like I said, that's the downside of not using a high arc force with a 6010. Like I said, I just kind of play it on the safe side for me, so I don't blow a hole in it. So that one was going vertical up and came out all right. Again, this whole project is really just an excuse to practice. Oh, there's that other one, fast weld. Same thing, vertical up, came out all right. Not bad for a hobbyist. This one I did not like, so I ground that one out. That one had some porosity in there. In fact, I ground out several of those. I tried going downhill. That didn't work out so well for me. I need more practice with that. So on those that I tried downhill, I ended up grinding them out. That was just I just ended up getting like a lot of slag inclusions. So I just kind of ground out certain parts and just kind of redid them. Alright, so here I'm re-welding those sections that I didn't like, or wasn't satisfied how they came out. It's good practice. That's all it is, really. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Check out the next part.